Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks, as my mom used to say. It's Monday, November 4th at 6:38 in the morning. Welcome to my channel, Relearning to Draw After 55. Today we are drawing a dragon. This is a book by, looks like Walter Foster, How to Draw Dragons, Learn to Draw Step by Step. So I've got a link to this in the description, and we're going to be doing this one off and on, probably on Sundays. So I know this is Monday, but I drew it yesterday. I've got my coffee this morning, and we're off to the races. This one took about an hour to draw. I haven't tried to draw a dragon in, that was even probably maybe 11th or 12th grade. My brother Robert, he's got a channel which you can see in the little title bar here. But that's he focuses on fantasy art, and he does a lot of dragons, different forms and kinds. I encourage you to look at his channel; it's pretty good. But he got me into wanting to do my own little versions. So luckily, I own a bookstore, a used homeschool consignment store called the Pilgrim's Way in Springfield, Missouri, and we get a ton of books come through, and so I've got a couple of them that they brought in for resale, and I bought them because they look like they're really good books to get started drawing with. And I think I've got all the links of the ones I've used so far in the descriptions of all the videos. Not all the videos, but of course the latest ones for sure. The dragon was hard. A lot of thought went into it on the shading. Towards the end there, you'll see the head doesn't look quite right. So I stopped for a while, came back, redid the head, which you'll see at the very end, but I forgot to film that part. Redoing the head only took me like 5 minutes. So, but yeah, the head just didn't quite cut it for me, and you can see right there that's probably the finish of the head before I stopped. But it does look better once I got done. So yeah, we'll be doing more of these out of this book and some other books I got. Bought one at Barnes and Noble as well. I think a map book and maybe a dragon book. So here's the final drawing. I was okay with it for the first try. So we'll keep drawing, and hope you have a great rest of your day.